Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll show you the complete process to download and install CarX Street on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. First, open up any web browser. In the search bar, type in Steam and hit search. From the search results, locate the official Steam website. It should say Welcome to Steam. Click on that link. Once you're on Steam's homepage, go to the top right corner where you'll see the Install Steam button. Click it. On the next page, click Install Steam again, and the download will start automatically. Once the download is complete, open the file and follow the on-screen instructions to install Steam on your PC. If you run into any issues, drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Now that you're inside Steam, locate the search bar at the top right corner of the window. Click on it and type in CarX Street. From the search results, find and click on this CarX Street to open the games page. Once you're on the game page, scroll down until you see the Add to Cart button. Click on it. Click on Continue to Payment and choose your preferred payment method. Fill in the necessary details, agree to Steam's terms and conditions, and click Purchase. After completing the purchase, go to your Steam library. You'll find this option in the top menu bar. In the library, locate CarX Street and click on the Download button. Steam will automatically install the game on your computer. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed CarX Street on your PC or laptop. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech guides. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I'll be glad to help. See you in the next video.